What do you think we're going to get today, pal?
Woo!
Couple of
Fish.
kingies.
Yoo-hoo! Off the beach.
Where are we, Skipper?
Whew.
Woo. I know. Well, normally I have to carry all that shit myself.
Fucking serious?
Yeah. I'm not paying for another tour.
I want a refund on the tour. Fuck this. Take some big ones and suck them in, pal.
Woo.
Not as young as they used to be. Spot to be. Nice. Oh. What's this bay called, Skipper?
Otama.
Odama. Go! Cool. So what bait are you running with?
I'm going with squid today just purely because of the conditions, and it's a oily bait. And this time of the year, squid's pretty ideal for these conditions, Jono, would you say?
Yep.
What are you running on podcast or video? What do you want? Go back and say, start, take that off.
Just the fucking little doodacky for the doodacky fucking what's it?
Yeah.
Chuck that in there. Hit that. Boom.
Locked in.
So that's the release. And
Lock and load. No pressure.
No pressure.
For windy.
Yep, give it. Woo! Fish spinner.
Come on, baby.
What's the line?
Oh,
Oh shit!
That's Joe.
ah, did you get that one?
Joe fishing with JC Tour. Try to be as quiet as possible, eh?
Bang.
Bang.
Shit, man.
Hey, on the board.
On the board.
What's that?
Look at
That's
you
a-
guys go. Woo! Double species. Woo!
Jump from there. Look at that. Great day.
Just live it.
Woo!
Yeah, I don't know what Jono was doing with that fucking drone, but this is his drink.
Yes, I gave you.
It's the real side, eh? It's real, mate. I am going, Hayden.
Oh.
Woo!
Yes, sir.
Not for the boy.
Look at that. This is living, pal. Why'd you ever leave this country?
Can't say. Don't talk.
Look at that.
Out
Sheesh.
floundering, what do we get? Perori.
Bang. That easy.
Alright.
Did you look old again, pal?
Come here. Come. I've seen 4.
The whole time you've been here?
Maybe 10.
Yeah. 5K straight up.
Like this. Yeah. But no steps or anything.
No, 3 routes.
Yeah. How long's this hole?
Oh, that's the one. Oh, no, maybe not.
Find it.
Nice. Nice.
Same.
Short.
Safe, you mugger.
Wee.
There he is. You won't be finding that one.
It's my boy.
This will be the second video. We've been up since dark. Looking for the keys for the car.
Second series.
Actually?
Surely one of us fall out on the way out. You're all good, plenty. Nice.
On this next corner we'll smoke a lot of Can't wait to see the little boys.
Oh no, I can't wait either. So is it invoice?
Oh yeah.
wash my hands. I wash my hands. No, crazy, eh?
That is ridiculous. Oh my god.
On the ski. You got something?
Yeah, it's a little one.
It's alright. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Snapper!
Woo!
Oh yeah!
Oh my god!
Oh shit!
What is that? Oh my god!
What is that?
Pretty popular in summer.
You look nice.
Thank you.
Whereabouts are we?
Who hi? Who hi? Hi, hi, hi. Hi.
Very close.
Too hot today. Yeah.